Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make two different types of vegan cheeses using cashews. So first I'm going to make a vegan Parmesan style cheese. I have half a cup of raw cashews, an eighth of a cup of nutritional yeast, and I'm making half the recipe. So if you guys go to my blog for this recipe, it's going to be a cup of cashews. So I'm just dividing everything in half. So 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. This is a half of a tablespoon, so I'll do 2 of these. Actually, I'm just going to do 1 because I'll do a little more. That looks like a whole lot for this amount of cashews. Okay. And then you just pulse it into a powder that's like a Parmesan consistency, if I can figure out how to do it. And you never want to pulse nuts too long because they will turn into nut butter. Sorry, there's a fly in her. Okay, so I'm having issues today. Okay, so here it is. A powdery vegan parm with just cashews, nutritional yeast, and garlic powder. Figure out how to get it out later. Ooh, I'm not coordinated today. Next is a vegan cheese sauce. This is a versatile sauce that you can use on pasta, like to make like an Alfredo or a mac and cheese, or you can use it on enchiladas as a queso dip, on veggies, cauliflower, broccoli. Anywhere you would use a cheese sauce, you can use this cheese sauce. So depending on what you're going to use it for, that's how you season it. So the basic recipe is you take 2 cups of raw cashews and you soak them in 2 cups of water overnight. And then you dump all of that into the blender. And then you add half a cup of nutritional yeast. Ooh, that wasn't good. Okay, guys. Okay. So this is the basic recipe, other than when we're blending, we're going to slowly add some oil. So depending on how you're going to use it, this is when you can do different types of seasoning. So I'm going to use it on pasta. So I'm going to do a little bit of oregano, a little bit of Italian seasoning, some basil. Oh, that's not open. I don't have an open one. Some garlic powder. onion powder. You know what I should have done? I should have gotten some salt and pepper. Okay, and then you blend it, and while you're blending it, you add a quarter cup of oil. So let me get that ready. Okay, so we're going to take that out in a minute. Put on high. Need to stir it. I feel like my blender is dying. I was having issues with it this morning, and I'm not sure. This is what we're trying for my blender to die though. Stick the spoon in while you're blending, obviously, but it sure would be easier if I could. So this is taking longer than usual because something's up with my blender. But it's looking good. One more time. Sorry. Okay, this looks really good, guys. That smells really good. So, a beautiful vegan cheese sauce. Yum! Okay. Alright guys, so healthy, nutritious, vegan cheeses with cashews. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.